Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, in this occasion, I'm going to present about myself or present about my portfolio. And also let me introduce myself first. Yeah, my name is Abdullah, and I'm from East Kalimantan. Yeah, I think that's all for the introduction. Let's get into it. Okay. First of all, I am a full stack developer, but I am more skilled at backend. Maybe. As so far, I'm really like about backend, not front end, in web or app. Yeah. And also, now I'm in Bogor, especially in Heidelberg School, where I live now. But my actual house is in East Kalimantan, like I said before, especially in Berau. Yeah, Berau, and the exact city is Tanjung Redep City. Yeah, you can search it. And also, except coding, I like to reading and reading. I forget about this. And what I done lately, this is my highlight project. But I already make more than these 4 projects. Yeah, first, this is my e-commerce website. Is only static website. But why I present in my website portfolio website? Because this is my best design in web. Yeah, I don't know. Depending in others, this is the best. And also for dynamic website, my favorite is Payroll and eLibrary, because it's my first time to make a dynamic website. And also this flyer is very good in my eyes. Yeah, I don't know with yours. And also my favorite apps now, it's named News, where we can see news there. I'm using API, especially HTTP API, not REST API. The difference is, HTTP API is use link, and also REST API use JSON itself in our project. But it's really hard. It's take a long time to make REST API for this project. So I use HTTP API. And also these are my new certificates. The first is from engineer for software developer. I got this certificate last year, 2025. Exactly on December. Yeah. And also Python basic, and also AI basic or machine learning. And that's all. Next, I will going to my LinkedIn profile. So here's my LinkedIn. I'm in Heidelberg School, Vocational High School, or Senior High School. You can say it. You can call it as you want, Vocational High School or Senior High School. Alright. And now I'm in 11 RPL, majoring in RPL or software engineering in Heidelberg School, of course. Yeah, I really like to work in PHP backend, yeah. And also for the front end, I only like to use Tailwind CSS, not CSS native, because I don't know, it's confusing to use CSS native, but CSS native is more dynamic than Tailwind CSS. And also, I also present my last project like payroll, library, and my notes is my team project with Fadlan, Fahri, and Jaki. Yeah, that's the final project for last year. And what is my motivation? My motivation is I like to solving problems, real world problems, using yes, through codes, clean codes and dynamic codes. And also I've joined many competition, IT competition. It also helped me to develop my logic thinking, teamwork, and also problem solve. Okay, I will talk about my last education. My junior education or junior high school is also in Adian Boarding School in Jonggol also, yeah. And there I learned many things like how to make games, how to create some IoT like float detection, float detector, and also smart trash bin. Yeah, that's the real. And also this is my old certificate like GitHub certificate. I got this in 10th grade, yeah, 10th grade. I learned so much about GitHub like Git branching, Git how to merge code, how to merge in different branch and something like that. And also Python, I really like about Python and blockchain. I also learned about blockchain, but I really don't understand because blockchain is really hard to learn, but because it's using Python, that's why I learned it and I got the certificate for free. Yeah. And also this is my last competition that I won with my friends. That's Atalah and Divka. We got first place in web design competition. It's static website. So which website, which design in website is good, yeah, it's the winner. My project last time in this competition is Pusakaku. And okay, maybe that's all from my JavaScript. Okay, let me present my project. This is my very big project, dynamic. Also, okay, here's the project. So I joined community named Tafas Bumi with Zaki and Rizik. The founder is Zaki. Yeah, me and Rizik is the co-founder. Why we built this website? Because last time we going to competition, me, Zaki, and Rizik, but sadly we not get into the podium. So we get an idea to make a community, because the website is already because we have made the website, so we gonna use this website for our community itself. Okay, so here last time I put API here, but the API is no longer available because I use free API. The API is getting taken down, by I don't know by who, because it's illegal API. Okay, here also API news API, and here I use Gemini API to so that we can ask whatever we want in environment, like what is forest and others. Let me test it first. Okay, this is my API. The API is error because maybe I haven't updated the API. Maybe after this I will update it. Maybe that's all about this website. This still template. I haven't changed everything very much, but I add some feature, that's admin feature, but I can present here because it's very private. Only me, Zaki, and Rizik know that because it's community secret. Okay, maybe that's all from my presentation, especially for my portfolio presentation about myself, my projects, and also what have I did lastly. Yes, that's all from me. If I have some mistake, I feel deeply sorry, because I'm a human. Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.